What's up, YouTube? This your boy Ink, back at it again with another video, man. Another video. Make sure y'all hit that like, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment on the way out. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be notified that I'm making a new video for y'all. Sometimes you never know what people are capable of in prison. You never know what day could be your last day in there. I mean, I don't want to say it like, you know, we're on this super paranoia trip or anything like that in there, because, you know, I could sleep every night. You feel me? Like, I got comfortable. I was institutionalized. I was used to it. But the thing was, since I was on these higher levels in cell living, level 4, level 3, the whole, I had to have that cell. That cell was like that security, bro. At the end of the night, when the bar lock and they make sure all the doors are locked and they can't be open, there's security in that. And you gotta trust your cellie. Because if you don't trust your cellie, man, things could go bad real quick. And I'm not just talking about a cell fight. I'm talking like gladiator shit. Knife combat. Using knives on each other. These are the realities of prison. People not understanding, y'all not hearing. Is this the future that we want? Is this the future that we want for our kids? Is this the future that you guys want? Y'all youngsters watching this shit? It's not about being gangster, man. You feel me? I've been up in the streets. I was a stick-up kid. I faced a life sentence over it. And I'm lucky and I'm blessed enough to actually be able to get back out to the streets. But at the end of the day, me going into prison and then finding out, like, damn, anybody's capable of anything in here. That's a big wake-up call. That's a big reality. I'm not saying there's not good people in there, because there are good people in there. There are people that made mistakes. There are people that are troubled, that are lost, that have mental health issues, addiction issues. A lot of people are just going down the wrong path, not knowing how to deal with themselves or their issues. But then there's people that you just would never expect also to react to certain situations the way they do. Or you wouldn't expect that some people love that shit, that some people strive for the prison life and the organizations and all that. And then even furthermore, you know, when you take away the family from a young one that's 18, 19 years old, and they have no support system, and you send them into prison, you think that it's going to make them better? We need to start really programming people, doing more rehabilitation, mental health, counseling. I think that is one of the key things, you know, giving people jobs, you know, teaching them trades so they can go out and make more than minimum wage and be able to put a roof over their head. So, you know, everything that I talk about and why I do this, man, is because you never judge a book by its cover. Not just in prison, because I've seen a little dude sleep the biggest dude on the yard. One hit. I don't know if it was a lucky hit, but I've seen a dude, just littlest dude on the yard, hit a big dude one time. Boom! It doesn't matter what you are. It doesn't matter where you come from. Doesn't matter how big you are, how tall you are, what organization you're from. Never judge a book by its cover, man. And I see a lot of people out here nowadays, man. And they say this and they say that. And it's like, you haven't seen the reality of what people are capable of or what they could do. So it's like, you don't know, and you're not aware that on the outside world, that's like times 100. You don't know everybody. You don't know what people are capable of. People are playing with themselves, playing with their lives. All for what? Glorifying something that's not going to take care of you. Glorifying something that's not going to have your back. Glorifying something that's not going to put a roof over your head. Glorifying something that's not going to feed your kids. But we can also change. Just because we've been to prison, just because we've been through the streets and been through all the shit that we've been through, that's another example of applying don't judge a book by its cover, because we come in all shapes, forms, sizes, colors. It doesn't matter. We can change. We can better ourselves. We can do better. If we want to achieve success, if we want to do better, not just for ourselves, but our kids, our families, we got to change this mindset. We got to change this way of thinking so we could do better. Never judge a book by its cover, because we can change. Never judge a book by its cover, because we can be the ones that turn around everything for our families, for our kids. Never judge a book by its cover, man, because you never know if it's that one person that gets out that maybe spent a decade in prison but wants better for themselves, is willing to go to school, work, do whatever they got to do, and also be a voice for the community. Never judge that book by its cover to just say that they're wasted, that they deserve life in prison, or that they ain't got shit coming, or that their story doesn't matter. Fuck all that, man. Never judge a book by its cover, because just as much as we're capable of doing bad shit, we're capable of doing good and positive things. So y'all just remember that, man. This your boy Inked coming at y'all up with another video. Y'all have a great day.